in this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook account disabled or suspended. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand why Facebook disables or suspends accounts. Suspicious login activity, violating community guidelines, spam-like behavior, using third-party apps or automation tools, and security system false detection. These are the reasons behind your Facebook account disabled or suspended. So try logging in from a trusted device. Your usual phone, your home Wi-Fi network, or a device you have used before. This helps Facebook confirm your identity. If it works, immediately check for any warnings or security alerts inside your account. Next up, use Facebook's official appeal page. Enter your email or phone number, upload a valid ID if requested, explain briefly that you believe the account was disabled by mistake. Keep your explanation simple and honest, avoid over-explaining. Next, check your email inbox. Facebook usually sends an email explaining why your account was disabled, whether you can appeal, and requires steps for recovery. Also check spam or junk folders because important recovery emails often land there. Next, avoid multiple login attempts. If you have used auto-likers, followers app, third-party login tools, disable them immediately. Likewise, secure your email address and phone number. Enable two-factor authentication. Make sure your phone number is active. After submitting an appeal, Facebook usually takes a few hours to several days, sometimes longer during high traffic periods. If your appeal is valid, your account is often restored automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.